We just got some information from Mila about a new washer and dryer that they're launching in Canada. They've got some great new designs in terms of features and technology, and I thought I would discuss it with Morgan because you are a self-proclaimed lover of doing laundry.
I do love doing laundry, and I was very excited to learn about this machine. Actually, it looks like it would make life really easy. What I love is that this machine actually holds soap for you. It's got a twin dose system in the bottom, and it uses 30% less soap than you would use normally if you're doing your laundry, because it detects the size of the load and dispenses the right amount of detergent at the right time. And if you're doing any delicates, there's another feature called cap dosing, which you can specifically choose soaps that work for delicate fabrics, which is, again, amazing.
One of the key features that I love about this, which doesn't seem so glamorous, my dog is all over the couch, and this machine does an under an hour hygiene cycle. So I would love to be able to just toss my cushion covers in there and they are ready for my face rather than his paws. Here's something I've never seen for a dryer before. They have this thing called the fragrance dose. So you can pick from 3 different natural fragrances. Then you can say goodbye to your dryer sheet.
Right.
And everything you put in the dryer can have a nice, light, fresh scent.
A feature I would use a lot in the dryer is steam finish, and it basically minimizes the need for ironing, and your clothes come out perfectly wrinkle-free. What I also love about these units is that they are very flexible. You can stack them or they can go side by side, but I love the fact that the dryer is ventless, because you could just use a dryer on a second floor if you wanted to, or you could have it separate. And it's super handy, basically, when you're doing a lot of laundry for a lot of people. So I think much like having the proper tools in the kitchen, having the proper tools in the laundry room make a lot of sense, and there are so many features that are offered in these machines that I'm into it.
Me too. Welcome to Canada.